So now we're back. Good evening. If we okay, we're going to first start with our quantity column. So I'll first press 1 because quantity we start from 1 to infinity. So when I do that, I'll then click, hold, and then I'll drag down, let's say to 20. Yeah. But if you could notice, it appears as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we intend to fill it in series. So you click on this very small icon and then click on fill series. It will automatically take you to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The normal consecutive addition. Yeah, 20. So now for the cost price, let's say for example you buy an item worth 1,000 naira and you sell it at 1,500 naira. So your cost price will then be that 1,000 naira. We are going to create a formula in such a way that we will multiply each quantity by 1,000 naira. Now our first quantity appears under A2. So therefore, to insert a formula in Excel, remember the first thing you do is to press equal to, and then now our A2, that's our first quantity, multiplied by, multiplication sign is given as asterisk here, 1,000. So I'm multiplying one quantity by 1,000 and press enter. So when we do that, we then click and drag down. So you see it will automatically fill up your cost price. As you can see, for one item it's 1,000, for 2 items 2,000, 3 items 3,000, 4 items 4,000, 5 items 5,000. Now the next thing we do is we need to assign a currency to our price. Is it in dollars? Is it in naira? Of course we are Nigerians, so we'll go to where we assign our currency. So the first thing you do is follow my cursor. You come here, click on general, scroll down, go to currency. So when you go to currency, it's in pounds, but we want it to be in naira. So we then click here, more accounting formats. So we scroll down. The dollar is in various formats. So naira, have naira in Edo, full day Hausa. Well, I'll go for naira in Hausa. Okay. Now you can decide how many decimal places you want it to be. I want it to be in 2 because of course it's in 2 decimal places. 100 kobo makes 1 naira. So you can see we've already assert the currency to it. So now your task, the task I want you to do is, now I want you to assign the selling price of 1,500 naira per quantity. Remember the formula. Let me just give you an example. For here, for the cost price, we said equal to A2, that's for one item, times 1,000. Now for selling price, since we sell it at the rate of 1,500, we'll then say equal to A. Why am I even giving you the answer? A2 times our selling price, that's 1,500. And then you press enter. So you scroll down. Yeah. So I've already done the task for you. So the next thing I want you to do in your own assignment is you assign this, assign quantities for 1 to 20 items, assign cost prices for 1 to 20 items, assign selling prices for 1 to 20 items, and I also want you to assign the naira sign to each of your items. Thank you.